Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're diving into the sleek, stylish, and surprisingly refined 2025 Honda Civic, a car that continues to set the benchmark in the compact sedan segment. Honda has once again managed to blend practicality, performance, and value into a package that's hard to beat, and we're here to break down why the 2025 Civic is turning heads. At first glance, the 2025 Civic doesn't try to be flashy, but that's exactly what makes it stand out. Its clean and athletic design builds on the 2022 redesign, with subtle refinements that enhance its sophisticated look. The front end is sharper, the LED headlights are slimmer, and the lines along the body are smoother, giving it a more mature, upscale appearance. It's still unmistakably a Civic, but it carries itself with a little more confidence this year. Under the hood, the 2025 Civic continues to offer two engine options. The base models come with a 2.0-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder engine producing 158 horsepower, perfect for daily commuting with a focus on fuel efficiency. If you're looking for something with more punch, the turbocharged 1.5-liter engine is where the magic happens. It delivers 180 horsepower and a peppy driving experience without compromising on economy. Paired with a continuously variable transmission, the Civic delivers smooth acceleration and impressive MPG figures, up to 42 on the highway. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice the Civic's interior punches above its weight class. The cabin feels more premium than you'd expect from a compact car. There's a minimalist dash layout, high-quality materials, and an intuitive infotainment setup. A 7-inch touchscreen is standard, but higher trims get a 9-inch screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Honda's decision to include physical knobs and buttons for climate and volume controls is a small but hugely appreciated touch. Safety is another area where the 2025 Civic shines. Every trim comes standard with the Honda Sensing Suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and more. Honda has also fine-tuned these systems to feel smoother and more natural, making for a safer and more comfortable drive. On the road, the Civic offers a refined and balanced driving experience. The steering is precise, the suspension is tuned for comfort without being too soft, and the overall ride quality feels solid. Whether you're weaving through city traffic or cruising on the highway, the Civic holds its own. It might not be a performance beast, but it's engaging enough to keep driving fun. In terms of trims, there's something for everyone, from the value-packed LX to the sporty Sport and the well-equipped X and Touring models. No matter which one you pick, you're getting a car that's built with attention to detail and a focus on delivering long-term reliability. The 2025 Honda Civic doesn't try to reinvent the wheel, it simply refines what already works. With its sharp design, smart tech, and legendary reliability, it remains a top choice for anyone looking for a compact sedan that delivers more than expected. Thanks for watching Rolling Legends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and updates on the world's most iconic rides.